a brief tutorial on how to log into Moodle and then install the Zoom app. Okay, first of all, we are on our Lee University webpage and you are going to log in on this side. It's going to try to log you in automatically here. I don't know why. You do not want this side, you want the blue here. So you're going to click there and it will take you, I'm already logged in, but that would normally take you to the same page where how you log into Portico, and it's the same username and password. Then you get into here and we need to install the Zoom app, and so I'm going to pretend that I'm going to install the Zoom app in another class where I don't have it in yet. So I am just going to call up a class from the past, and first thing you're going to need to do is to turn on editing. So you scroll down and you are going to turn editing on. Then you're going to scroll back down because you are going to want to edit the settings so that your class is going to show so students can see it. So do show and save. And now all the students who are registered in your class will have access to it. Next is Zoom. We are going to go up here to add resource. Click on add resource. We're going to now select external tool. We're going to click on this drop down menu and select Zoom. And here we're going to write Zoom so students know what it is. And I often say something, must access Zoom through Moodle for attendance. So I usually say something like that because then I could go into the Moodle logs to find out who actually Zoomed with me and who blew us off. So then we are going to save and return to course. And now you see the Zoom link is here, and now you or your students will just click on Zoom when you want to start class. Well, you'll click on that when you want to start class. They'll click on it when they are coming in to attend class. All right, that's it. Not very complicated, but it is all a good reminder to have because that's something we did a while ago and is easy to forget. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.